foodies, today we're gonna do my father's tomato soup. Ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe are tomatoes, garlic, onions, chicken powder, chipotles, baking soda, SPG, salt and pepper, and rosemary. The first step is we're gonna take our casserole and we're gonna add in some butter and some oil. And then we're gonna put our onions and we're gonna let it cook until they're translucent. Next part is we're gonna put in our SPG, our chicken powder, our chipotle, and our tomato in the casserole. And then we're gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes. Add 2 cups of water. Now we're gonna put our garlic and then we're gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes. Now you're gonna add the baking soda and the oregano. We put the baking soda because it helps with the acidity. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, and now it's done. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. This soup goes very well on its own or with a grilled cheese.